1. You should study. 2. You should study English. 3. You should study English well. 4. You should study English well on Monday. 5. You should try. 6. You should try best. 7. You should try best to pass. 8. You should try best to pass the exam. 9. You should go. 10. You should go abroad. 11. You should go abroad to make money. 12. You should go abroad to make money for your family. 13. You should apply. 14. You should apply for a job. 15. You should apply for a job in Yangon. 16. You should apply for a job in Yangon as an accountant. 17. You should explain. 18. You should explain it. 19. You should explain it to the children. 20. You should explain it to the children clearly. 21. You should wait. 22. You should wait for her. 23. You should wait for her patiently. 24. You should wait for her patiently here.